Changing Salesforce password is a pretty simple thing to do, and in this video I will be showing you how you guys can exactly do it. So first thing first, what you have to do is to make sure that you like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So let's dive right into it. So what you have to do exactly is go to the salesforce.com, and once you are in the salesforce.com, go ahead and click on login. If you have already an account, simply go ahead and click on login button. And once you'll do it, you will see either you want to go and log into your products, Salesforce, Marketing Cloud, and Tribalizer account. So select the account that you want to log into. For example, I'm going to go and log into my Salesforce account. So just go ahead and click on that, and you will be redirected to the login page. So here, what you guys can do is simply put in all your credentials, for example, your username, uh, and your password. If you have forgotten your password, simply go ahead and click on that. And now, what you have to do is to write the username in the form of an email address, and the password are case sensitive. Then In order to reset your password, simply go ahead and click on the username, and then they will generate an email address. They will generate an email that will be sent to your email address. And all you have to do is to go to your Gmail account and search for that email, and there will be a link where you can scan reset the password. So if you're still facing the same issue again and again, what you have to do is exactly contact your domain admin to fix that issue. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to this channel. Take care. Bye bye.